Hello everyone, this is Kiran Kumar R, Assistant Professor from the Departments of Management. So today I'll be giving you an overview of fundamentals of business accounting subject. So before understanding this, before knowing about the subject, let's understand what is this accounting is all about. Okay, a systematic recording, classifying, reporting of business transactions. This is a simple thing. So let's take an example of a jewelry owner. So in jewelry business, what we have to make some jewelry, right? So there we have to bring some raw materials, right? We have to purchase that, and it is an expenses also, right? So I need to record those things. At the same time, I will make some sales. Here also I need to record, right? This is what recording means. The second thing, I need to classify or categorize things, right? When I say classify or categorize, it means there are various expenses, right? We have we have to pay, right? Rent we have to pay for our creditors, where we have got a loan from him, we have to pay interest. So these are the things or accounts that has to be categorized, classified. Then comes financial statements, to prepare financial statements. So here we are going to show our financial statements. Basically it is profit and loss account or balance sheet, where we are going to specify the financial health of a business. Financial health, or how the business is performing, right? Later it is reporting at the last. So what we report or why we report. See, here we are reporting the financial statement which is already ready. Now to whom we show this report? We are going to show the report to our lenders or investors. Why we have to show? Because of the same thing, that they are going to invest in our business, right? So these are the main things that we have to look forward it. And we know we have to ask one more question. What is the importance of learning this accounting? So when I say importance, the very first thing a student has to learn this accounting is financial management. So what is this financial management? It is nothing but managing your financial resources, how you are going to portfolio it, right? And the next thing what we have to learn is business evaluation. Business evaluation in the sense how you are going to evaluate your financial performances, right? The third thing what we have to know is the compliances and regulations. See, here I am filing this reports, I am filing my income taxes. There are certain regulations, rules have to be followed legally, right? The last thing what we have to study is our career opportunities. See, students have to learn accounts because there are various career opportunities available, job opportunities available. Today in MNCs, we have good openings for accountants, financial analysts, and many more such things, right? So this is one of the questions. The next question what I need or you need to know is what this subject contains, right? So we have 5 modules here in the subject. The very first module says Introduction to Accounting. So here we are going to learn about the basic concepts, like basic terminologies, accounting terminologies like assets, liabilities, debitors, creditors, right? These are the basic terms that we need to know. The second chapter where we have to focus on is accounting cycle. So here accounting cycle in the sense how the business goes or how we have to record the transactions, right? I have already said you we have to we have to start preparing this financial reports. So what are how we are going to start this? See, the very first thing, we have to record all our transactions into a journal book. Later this journal book, whatever the transactions we have recorded here, will be forwarded to ledger, posting into ledger accounts, right? After having all the balances proper, we have to prepare the trial balance. So in the trial balance, where we are going to know the arithmetical accuracy. So this is what we are going to study in our second chapter. The third chapter is all about subsidiary books. So subsidiary books is nothing but subdivided journals, right? So here we are going to study detailedly about subsidiary books. Let's say we have many subsidiary books like sales book, purchase return, sales return. For giving an example, sales book. So in sales book, you will be recording the transactions which are related to sales only, provided that should be a credit sales and not cash sales. In purchase book, you are going to record only a transactions related to purchase only, provided it should be a credit purchase. So then where we are going to record the cash purchases? So cash purchases will be recorded in cash book. So this is how we are going to make this subsidiary books, right? And the fourth chapter is about bank reconciliation statement. So here in bank reconciliation statement, we are going to reconcile the statement which we have in the company and the statement which bank has. So both of the things have to be matched, reconciled, right? This is what we do in bank reconciliation statement. And the fifth chapter, the last chapter, is all about accounting software. So here accounting software refers to computer programs where it is being designed to automate the financial reports, right? So things are changing. It's not the traditional way we are following, right? Modern approach. We have various computer applications where it will give a consolidated data of all our financial reports, right? So all these were just an overview of this subject, fundamentals of business accounting. Hope you have found this information useful and choose to learn with us. Thank you. Happy learning.